break. Today we are going to be talking about the really bad wildfires recently in California. We need to talk about fire safety and what you can do to keep yourself and your family safe. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more Kids News Break video awesomeness. Fire is a scary thing, and every year the number of fires and the size of them seem to get bigger and bigger and bigger. In California this year, there was a lot of fires. The one that did the most damage was called the campfire. It took out a town called Paradise. That's right, it ripped its way through an entire town. There were people that didn't survive these fires, and there's a number of people who are still missing. What causes all of these fires? Because they happen every year. With the warming climate and less rain in the summers, the trees and forest floors dry out. During this time, many places will put a fire ban in effect to prevent any sparks going out of control. While some of these fires can be started by Mother Nature, stuff like lightning, most of them are started by people. That is why when it's dry, we have to be extra careful. Anything like campfires, fireworks, cigarette butts, or even setting fires on purpose. These can all spark a fire that can turn disastrous. Here's Nellie with a great piece of advice that we should all remember.
If your clothes accidentally catch fire, here is something to easily remember. Stop, drop, and roll. This should put out fire on your clothes, or at least give someone some time to come and help you.
Whew. Thank you, Nellie. I'll remember that. Stop, drop, and roll. Like Smokey the Bear once said, only you can prevent forest fires. Let's look what you can do to be safe while camping and how to be safe at home in case of a fire. No camping trip is complete without a campfire. The songs, the stories, the s'mores! There's a lot to think about with a campfire. Here are a few safety tips. Check if fires are allowed where you're camping. Check with a park warden or the officials where you're staying. They might not be allowed because it might be too dry or just against the rules. Look for a fire pit, or if you're gonna make your own, make sure it's 15 feet away from anything that can catch fire. Watch for low-hanging branches. Keep away anything that could explode if it gets too hot, like spray cans or any container under pressure. Keep your family, your pets, and yourself a good distance from the fire. When putting it out, dump water on it until the hissing stops. If you don't have water, stir up the coals into the dirt and bury them. Make sure that everything is cool before you leave it unattended. To be safe in your home, there are some things that you can do right now so you can prepare for emergency like a fire. Make sure you and your family make up an emergency plan for your home. Make sure there's 2 ways out of every room and talk to everyone about those exits. Agree on a meeting place outside your home that is a safe distance from the house. You should practice the emergency plan regularly so you know everyone can get out quickly and safely. Take a head count to make sure everyone got out. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors regularly to make sure they are working.
If you have any questions, there are a lot of websites with fire safety tips. You could also pay a visit to your local fire station. I am sure they would love to give you some pointers about fire safety. Do you have an emergency plan for your family already in place? Let me know in the comments down below. To watch this video in French, click here. To watch something a little different, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and only you can prevent forest fires.